Discover the best energy-efficient windows Deltona has to offer with our top-notch window installation services. Our Deltona window contractor team specializes in double-glazed windows. Deltona residents trust for superior insulation and energy savings. Whether you're looking for vinyl window replacement Deltona or thermal windows Deltona, we have the perfect solution for your home. Energy-efficient windows Deltona enhance your home's energy efficiency with our Deltona window insulation experts. Our window sealing services Deltona ensure that your windows are airtight, reducing energy loss and improving comfort. With our window weatherproofing Deltona services, you can protect your home from the elements while maintaining optimal window performance Deltona. Upgrade your home with our window upgrade services Deltona, featuring the latest in window technology Deltona. Our energy-efficient window replacement Deltona options include a variety of window styles Deltona and window customization options to match your home's aesthetics. Trust our Deltona window durability services to provide long-lasting window solutions that stand the test of time. Energy-efficient windows Deltona for those in need of window installation. Our Deltona window installation specialists are here to help. We offer comprehensive window maintenance Deltona services to keep your windows in top condition. From window glass replacement Deltona to window frame replacement Deltona, our team ensures your windows are functioning at their best. Maximize your home's energy savings with our energy-saving windows Deltona. Our Deltona window efficiency solutions are designed to improve your home's energy ratings and reduce utility costs. With our window retrofitting Deltona services, you can upgrade your existing windows to meet modern energy standards. Choose our Deltona window aesthetics services for a stylish and functional window solution. Our window longevity Deltona options ensure that your windows not only look great but also perform efficiently for years to come. Experience the benefits of our window energy ratings Deltona and enjoy a more comfortable, energy-efficient home. Energy-efficient windows Deltona are the perfect solution for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. Deltona window installation services offer a wide range of options, including double-glazed windows Deltona, which provide superior insulation and noise reduction. With Deltona window insulation experts, you can ensure your home stays warm in the winter and cool in the summer, maximizing energy efficiency. Vinyl window replacement Deltona is a popular choice for those seeking durability and low maintenance. Deltona window installation specialists are skilled in addressing any issues with your current windows, ensuring they function optimally. For those looking to enhance their home's appearance and performance, window upgrade services Deltona offer a variety of styles and materials to choose from. Thermal windows Deltona are designed to minimize heat transfer, making them an excellent choice for energy-saving windows Deltona. Deltona window glass replacement services can help you select the right glass for your needs, whether it's for improved insulation or enhanced security. Window sealing services Deltona ensure that your windows are airtight, preventing drafts and reducing energy loss. A Deltona window contractor can guide you through the process of window frame replacement Deltona, ensuring a perfect fit and finish. Energy-saving windows Deltona are an investment in your home's future, providing long-term savings on energy bills. Deltona window efficiency solutions are tailored to meet the unique needs of each homeowner, ensuring maximum performance and comfort. Window maintenance Deltona is essential for preserving the lifespan and functionality of your windows. Deltona window retrofitting services can upgrade your existing windows to meet modern energy standards. Window weatherproofing Deltona protects your home from the elements, ensuring your windows remain in top condition year-round. Deltona window energy ratings provide valuable information on the performance of different window types, helping you make informed decisions. Window performance Deltona is a key consideration for homeowners looking to improve their home's energy efficiency. Deltona window durability services ensure that your windows withstand the test of time, providing reliable performance for years to come. Window styles Deltona offer a wide range of options to suit any architectural design or personal preference. Deltona window customization allows you to tailor your windows to your specific needs, whether it's for improved aesthetics or enhanced functionality. Window technology. Deltona incorporates the latest advancements in materials and design, ensuring your windows are at the forefront of innovation. Deltona window aesthetics are an important aspect of any home improvement project, enhancing curb appeal and property value. Window longevity. Deltona is achieved through quality materials and expert installation, ensuring your windows remain beautiful and functional for decades. Energy-efficient window replacement. Deltona is a smart investment for any homeowner looking to reduce their carbon footprint and save on energy costs. Energy-efficient windows. Deltona.